Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some salt and pepper shrimp. Yes, so in my bowl right here I've got 22 shrimp that I wash and clean and devein, and I wash it in some lemon juice just to remove some of the rawness away from it. Okay, and these are all of my fresh seasoning. Here I have some chili, and I'm using the red and the green, and as you can see, 2 each. Half of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 3 stalk of scallion. Okay, these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my Old Bay seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together in one bowl. Because you want to make sure that everything is all combined. So after I do that, now I'm gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in. Yeah, that's perfect. So after I mix all my seasoning together, I'm just gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil to my shrimp, just to keep it nice and moist. I'm gonna give it a stir. And now I'm gonna add my seasoning. You just want to sprinkle it on like so, and I'm gonna leave back some, guys, for my flour mixture. Okay, I'm not gonna use all of it at once. I'm gonna leave back this amount. And once this is finished, guys, you just want to put it to the side. Okay, this is nicely seasoning. I'm telling you, this shrimp is gonna be so flavorful. So guys, in my bowl right here, I've got 1 cup of plain flour, and I also have ½ cup of cornstarch. And the cornstarch is just gonna make your shrimp be super crispy. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning to my mixture. Okay, you want to mix it all in, and I'm gonna also add just a pinch of salt, not a lot. So that's done. And guys, you're gonna also need 1 egg. So I'm just gonna mix it all in just a bit. You're just gonna add it to the shrimp like so. Give it a stir. I'm gonna cut my chili in small pieces, so they're already washed. Okay, so you want to take a knife, just cut them up small. Like so. This recipe is gonna be so good, guys. Better than any takeout. If you want, you don't have to add 2 chili each. You can just add 1. Depends how spicy you want it to be. See that? That's perfect. So now I'm gonna cut my onions. And you want to just cut it very thinly, okay? Like so. So I finally chopped my garlic, guys, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm cutting my scallion. You just want to cut them like so, you know, in round. Yeah. So everything, guys, is nicely cut, okay? So now, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my shrimp to my flour mixture. You want to make sure that everything is all covered. Make sure your shrimp is all covered with your mixture, okay? Shake off any excess flour. Put it in my bowl right here. And you just want to repeat the same process. So all my shrimp is nicely coated. So now I'm gonna fry them. So guys, stay tuned. So now, guys, I'm gonna fry my shrimp. So now my oil and my pot is now hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add just a garlic just to see how hot it is, okay? Because you don't want it to be super hot. Yeah, so that's good. That's good. My stove is on a medium heat. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp. Just gonna allow them to fry, guys, for at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side, okay? I'm not gonna add all of them at once. So guys, this one is all finished. And I'm telling you, look at it guys. So crispy. Look at that. It looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them to my grill, okay? That's my grill here at the back. All my shrimp is all fried, so this is the other step. Here I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I add some oil. You can add any oil. I add at least 2 teaspoons, okay? You don't need a lot. So firstly, I'm gonna add some of my garlic. You wanna add all your garlic first. With a stir. You're just gonna leave it for at least 15 seconds, okay? Then I'm gonna add my onions. My spring onions. And my chili peppers, okay? You want to just continue to stir it. Make sure your stove is not turned up too high. You're just gonna leave it guys for at least 5 seconds, okay? Gonna add some salt, at least ½ teaspoon of salt, and that's my pepper, my cracked pepper, and you want at least ½ teaspoon, okay? And now I'm gonna add my shrimp. Stay tuned. Gonna add my shrimp. Look at that. It looks so good. And you want to mix it. It looks amazing guys, super delicious. And so crispy. This is optional, but I'm gonna add at least ½ teaspoon of butter. Guys, this is better than any takeout, I'm telling you. Your families, your friends are gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna add some more of my pepper. And just a pinch more of salt, and that's it. It is all finished now. So guys, my salt and pepper shrimp is all finished, and this is what it look like. It looking super delicious, I'm telling you. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I know you all are gonna enjoy it. Please don't forget to share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. It is absolutely delicious, better than any takeout. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.